Today we will learn about action verbs. Let's start. I am happy. I am happy. I am excited. I am excited. I am loving. I am loving. I am sad. I am sad. I am funny. I am funny. I am walking. I am walking. I am playing. I am playing. I am running. I am running. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am crying. I am crying. I am reading. I am reading. I am thinking. I am thinking. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am writing. I am writing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am singing. I am singing. I am patient. I am patient. I am counting. I am counting. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am eating. I am eating. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.